In this video, I am going to show you how to trade with unlimited leverage, and I'm going to show you the broker that offer unlimited leverage without any condition attached to it. So the broker that I will be showing you that offers unlimited leverage is FX Pro. So this is FX Pro. Now if you want to have an account with FX Pro, the link is in the description. You can use my link as a referral to register. This broker is very nice for me because it allows you to deposit as low as $3 or even $5. And because they are allowing you to deposit a small amount of money, they need to increase your leverage to allow you to enter the positions that you want to enter with that small amount of money. So you are going to go over to the home page here at the lower left hand corner. Click on this home. You can see it. You need to create an account with them, and then you can create a trading account with them. From the creating of the trading account, you see the option here. If it's a demo account you want to create, you use this option. I have shown how to create a demo account with this particular broker, FX Pro. Or you can go to the real account under this, click on the real. You see the different trading accounts that I created that are real. Okay, any of these accounts you can change their leverage to 1 to unlimited. So you can click on the account, then you will see that the leverage is 1 to unlimited. It has no any condition attached to it. There are some brokers that will tell you you have to trade about 5 standard lots and then also close 10 trades before they will allow you to begin trading with unlimited leverage. This particular broker does not have any condition attached. Once you register and you just create a trading account, you will be given an unlimited leverage. So if yours does not have an unlimited leverage, click this setting button here at the lower left hand corner, then click it. Then you come over to this leverage and click the leverage. Then you can select 1 to unlimited, or you can reduce it by sliding this to whatever amount you have. As a beginner, before you begin to use 1 to unlimited leverage, you should know the risks that it involves. If you are going to open a trade with $5 and it's the $5 that is in your balance, that's the whole money you have in your account, it does not make sense to open any lot size more than 0.01, because even the 0.01, just small market movement may end up draining it if you don't get the direction and the entry to be right. Okay, so you have to know how to enter your lot size, the risk amount, and where to set as your stop loss. If you don't know how to go about all of this as a beginner, I have made a video showing you how you can set your pips, your risk amount, your stop loss, and how to calculate everything to know how much you are risking in a trade. The video will appear at the top right hand corner. And also, if you are interested in my mentorship, the details are there in the description box. Once you have selected the 1 to unlimited, or is it 1 to 10,000, select whichever one you want and then click on apply. It will be applied immediately to your account. So once you have selected the leverage to be 1 to unlimited, you are going to select any of the accounts. So this is the account that I want to use for the purpose of this video. You can see it has $2 in it. It ends with 5176. So you can click and you see it has 1 to unlimited leverage. So I am going to link this account now with MT5. If you don't know how to link FX Pro with MT5, I have made a video about it. It will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it. So I will go to MT5 and in my MT5 you can see this is the account. I have linked it with the MT5 and it ends with 5176, and at the trade section you can see it has the $2 that I just showed you now on FX Pro. So I can go over to my chart or to any of the codes and I will enter a position. With these $2 I can open a 0.01 position, you see, on Euro USD, and it is already reading. This unlimited leverage allows you to open a trade position with as low as $2 or even $1 in your FX Pro trading account, as you can see it from this video. So you have to know how to manage your risks and the amount of lot size that you can open with the balance that you are having in your account. So remember, I told you there's a video I've made about risks and pips and how to calculate lot size. Go back and click on it and watch it. Okay, so this is how you can use FX Pro unlimited leverage, and you can trade with it with as low as $1 or even $2. So if you are interested in FX Pro, my referral link is there in the description box. And if you have any other question regarding how to use and trade unlimited leverage on FX Pro, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.